Milliposts. Jobs, Current Affairs, GK. Current Affairs Quiz, 9th July 2024. 1. Recently, which state has been honored with the Best Agriculture State Award for 2024 by the 15th Agriculture Leadership Awards Committee? A. Maharashtra. B. Gujarat. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer A. Maharashtra. The 15th Agriculture Leadership Awards Committee, chaired by Justice P. Sathasivam, has named Maharashtra the Best Agriculture State for 2024. Maharashtra Chief Minister Shri Eknath Shinde will receive the award in New Delhi on 10th July. Recognized for its innovative agricultural policies and programs, Maharashtra's initiatives include the largest bamboo mission, extensive irrigation projects, and nanotechnology fertilizer distribution. The award highlights significant contributions to agricultural advancement and rural prosperity. 2. Which ministry has recently launched Project Pari, Public Art of India? A. Ministry of Defence. B. Ministry of Culture. C. Ministry of Home Affairs. D. Ministry of Agriculture. Correct answer B. Ministry of Culture. The Ministry of Culture has launched Project Pari, Public Art of India, in conjunction with the 46th World Heritage Committee meeting in New Delhi from July 21 to 31, 2024. Executed by Lalit Kala Akademi and National Gallery of Modern Art, this initiative aims to blend India's rich artistic heritage with modern themes. Over 150 artists will create public artworks, democratizing art and enhancing cultural engagement nationwide. 3. Recently, who won the 2024 Asian Billiards Championship in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia? A. Dhruv Sitwala. B. Pankaj Advani. C. Rupesh Shah. D. Geet Sethi. Correct answer A. Dhruv Sitwala. Dhruv Sitwala defeated Pankaj Advani 5-2 to win the 2024 Asian Billiards Championship in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. This victory marks Sitwala's third Asian Billiards title, having previously won in 2015 and 2016. Advani, aiming for his third title and a hat-trick of championships, fell short in the final. 4. Where was the Asian Squash Doubles Championship 2024 held? A. Medan, Indonesia. B. New Delhi, India. C. Johor, Malaysia. D. Kolkata, India. Correct answer C. Johor, Malaysia. Indian squash players secured 2 titles at the 2024 Asian Squash Doubles Championship in Johor, Malaysia. Abhay Singh and Joshna Chinnappa won the mixed doubles, defeating Hong Kong's Tong Ts Wing and Ming Hong Tang. In the men's doubles, Singh and Velavan Senthilkumar triumphed over Malaysia's Ong Sai Hung and Syafiq Kamal. The championship featured 33 teams from 7 countries and was held from July 4 to 7, 2024. 5. Vizhinjam International Seaport, recently seen in news, is located in which state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Maharashtra. C. West Bengal. D. Kerala. Correct answer D. Kerala. The first phase of Adani Group's Vizhinjam Port, India's first exclusive transshipment port near Kovalam Beach, Kerala, is complete. It will receive its first mothership on 12th July, marking a major milestone. The port, managed by Divya S. Iyer, is expected to commence full commercial operations by year-end. It will also be India's first semi-automated container terminal and a global bunkering hub for green fuels like hydrogen and ammonia. With an 18-meter natural draft, it can accommodate large container ships and is strategically located 10 nautical miles from the international shipping route connecting Europe, the Persian Gulf, and the Far East. The project is developed in a public-private partnership by Adani Vizhinjam Ports Private Ltd.